Alright guys, this is gonna be my my third my third project for Globeland. So I got these are so cute. They were the dies to make envelopes, and then they came with 3 sizes. They don't say the name, but the link will be in my description with the coupon code and everything. So it came with small, medium, large. I didn't do the largest one because I didn't have, like, I need to get bigger paper. I know it's 12 by 12, but I think I'm gonna have to, I don't know. I think I'll have to figure that one out. Somehow layer it up or something. But I did use the medium and the small, and I didn't even have to cut them apart. I just left them like that. They're so cute. And then I'll show you all together because I use it all together. And these were for the swatches for the like, you can tie ribbon, you can tie yarn, like that one. And then it came with like all kinds of different, I didn't use some of the tiny ones. I used the 4 big ones. But it came with all the little cutouts, like this little cutout you could put at the top and have it hanging like a tag. Like, you can use these as tags. They don't have to be for ribbons or like washi tapes or anything like that. How cute would that be if you put the little hole at the top and then you put on a tag flip and you want to share, you know? Oh, so cute, so cute. Okay, so that was that one. And then these are the tops, which I'm just now thinking, because first off, look how cute these are. This one is with Gingham Garden. I should have, like, decorated the outside. Why didn't I just think of that? Dang it. Okay. And okay, so this is the bottom, and then this is the top. But I didn't want to glue it down, because then I couldn't have showed you what was inside. So then you'd glue this part down and then rip it, and then here comes that part off. So I did it for the small and the medium. This one is with Sandy's paper. And I used my scoreboard, because I kind of messed up on this one, to measure like where these would sit and how, you know, where they would go. So this one just has my little guy in it. I love it. I love it so much. But I think it would be so cute to, like, I want to rip it, but I didn't make one to rip. I can't believe it. And I can't believe I didn't decorate the front. I should do one of her little fussy cuts and put on the outside. And then with this one, I love this one. This is with Sandy's paper though too. This is her fabric something paper that she has. But look. Okay, so here's one. This is old, well, I'm sure it's old. It's like vintage nylon. Let me make sure. Yeah, it's like vintage nylon, and this is the paper that Sandy used or created that I'm using for these gorgeous tags. Make sure to go in the description for everything. Isn't that pretty? And then if you did the little punch, which I didn't, I don't know, I didn't feel like it needed it. There was that one. And then this one, and then I used some of the trim that Tony gifted me. So this one is looks like more like a spool. This one does. Oh, that looks so cute. And then I had 4, so 4 can fit in here. Ah, dang it, they came out together. And then this one, I left this one kind of long because this is more that vintage nylon thread. No, it's not really a thread. I don't really know what it is. Maybe like a seam binding or something. I got it at an antique store. And then this one is the smaller one, and I put tulle on that one, so it's smaller. But it looks so pretty together, pinks and blues. and whites, and then I did put some green, and then I put a little bow, and this is from the stuff Tony sent me as well. I think it is so cute. And then they just kind of sat in there like side by side really well. I just stacked them 2 and 2. And then look at that. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so fun when I glue that and give it to somebody. I don't know who or what, but I love it. I think it's so fun. I should have made one to rip. I should have put something on the front of this, and I've got to gift it to somebody because these are so cute. They're so precious. So I just used whatever size paper. I mean, the width can be whatever width you want it to be. I mean, I messed up right there because I went by, I think, that outside instead of this corner right here. But they're adorable. They're so cute. I love it. And I want to glue it down, and I want to rip it really fast and really bad. But check everything out in the description below, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.